Okay na ba? Start na ba? Okay, hello, good morning, mga ka-chatmates, mga friends, student. A pleasant morning sa lahat po na manunood. Okay, so last week, napag-aralan po natin ang Divisibility Rules. Okay, so before we start, let us pray first. Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Lord God, maraming salamat po, Lord God, sa araw na ito. I-bless po mo, Lord God, ang bawat isa sa amin, Lord God, ng knowledge or wisdom, Lord God. Para ma-impart ko po, Lord God, ang aking knowledge para sa aking mga estudyante. Hindi lang po sa mga estudyante, sa lahat po ng nanonood, Lord God. I-bless to, Lord God, ang bawat isa. Itinataas ko, Lord God, sa pangalan ni Jesus. In the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, hello, good morning po sa lahat ng mga manunood, sa lahat ng mga estudyante ko, sa lahat ng mga parents, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan na nanonood. Pleasant morning sa lahat. So, before we start our lesson, let us recall our past lesson regarding divisibility rules. So, ano ba yung divisibility rules na pag-aralan natin last week? Ang 2, 5, and 10. Okay. So, divisibility rules help us find in a common factor easily. Okay, katulad na lang po na binanggit natin ng divisibility rules ng 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so I have an example para hindi ninyo makalimutan kung paano ba nagkaroon tayo ng okay, divisibility rule number 2, 5, and 10. Example niya to. Okay, so in her birthday party, Cheska conducted a game called the boat sinking. So, tayo mga mamayang Pilipino naman, familiar tayo sa larong ito, especially kapag may mga birthday gatherings, mga birthday party, or mga events, pinapalaro ito mostly sa mga bata. Okay, she asked her 24 kids to the group themselves into 3, 4, 6, and 8. Each time, they asked them to form groups. No one is eliminated. But she asked the group themselves into 5. 4 kids were eliminated from the game. So, si Cheska, kumuha siya ng 24 na kids para mag-perform ng kanilang games. Okay. So, mayroon naman, yung nagsabi siya na, group yourself into 4 or into 5, mayroong na-eliminate na mga children. So, there are 4 ang na-eliminate. So, why is that so? If she will group the remaining kids them into 3, how many of them will be eliminated? Okay. So, since 24 kids were asked to group themselves, so meron tayong 24 kids na i-group sila by 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. No one was eliminated. So, walang may natanggal. Bakit? Bakit walang natanggal dun sa 24 na pinag-group silang 2, 4, 6, 8? Bakit walang na-eliminated? Because 24 is divisible by 2, 4, 3, 6, and 8. But when the 24 kids were asked to group themselves into 5, meron bang ma-eliminate? Pag sinabi ko, okay, group yourselves into 5, may ma-eliminate ba? Yes, they have. Okay, so 24 is not divisible by 5 kasi yung 24 hindi po siya divisible by 5. Okay, since then, there are 20 kids left. So, mayroon talagang may iwan na 20 at may ma-eliminate na 4 kids. So, 20 is not divisible by 3. So, 2 kids will be eliminated. So, for example, si Cheska naman, nag-ano naman siya ng grupo by 3. So, ang 20 naman, hindi man siya divisible by 3. So, may dalawang ma-eliminate. So, there are remaining 18 kids. So, may naiiwan na naman na 18 kids. So, another naman, Cheska ask them to the group themselves and to 3. So, nag-ulit naman si Cheska na mag-group naman ng by 3. So, again, no one will be eliminated. So, wala nang ma-eliminate. That's because since 18 is divisible by 3. So, did you understand? So, ano lang yun? Review lang the past lesson na natalakay natin last week. Yung divisibility rules. Okay, so divisibility rules ng 2, 5, and 10 are grouped together because they all require checking the ones digit for the whole number. So, ano ba yung mga divisibility rules ng by 2? Okay, nandiyan ang 10, 18, 34 rather. And then, 2, 38, 28, okay, 8, yan. 72, 14, 36, and 506. Yan, divisible by 2 yan. Pag sinabi namin mga numbers divisible by 6, ay by 5, ito yung 30, 25, 90, 315, 100, 45, 35, 75, 85, and 860. Yun po yung numbers divisible by 5. So, the numbers divisible by 10, dyan ang 40, 80, 50, 100, 110, 60, 70, 140, 250, and 500. Okay. O, yun po yung mga example po ng the number divisible by 2, by 5, and by 10. So, now, let's move on to our new topic. Okay. So, since familiar kayo dito, since elementary, up to now, up to high school, pag natingnan natin yung GCF, we also familiar. Di ba? Napaka-familiar po sa atin ang greatest common factor. So, meron pa yan sa LCM or ang least common multiple, di ba? Ang LCM. So, ngayon, papag-aralan natin ang greatest common factor. Ano ba yung GCF? Okay. So, let us find the common factor of the GCF of 2 and 4 number using continuous division. May continuous division tayong ang gagamitin natin dito. Since ang topic natin ay pang grade 5. Greatest common factor using continuous division. And then we should solve the real life problems involving GCF of 2 to 3 given numbers. And then we create problems involving GCF and 2 to 3 given numbers. Okay, so before we start, toy cars. And the third box has 20 toy cars. And then, he divided each bag of toys equally among his younger cousins. What is the biggest possible number of a toy cars that each of his cousins will receive? How many of his cousins will receive the number of the toys? Okay, so to answer the problem, let us find the greatest common factor or the GCF of 12. Okay, 12, 16, and okay, ano pa yung isa? 12, 16, and 20. Okay, ito na yung problem. So, yung first daw, first box, nagka-contains ng 12 toy cars. Okay. And the second box, okay, may 16 toy cars. On the third box, may 20 toy cars. So, he divided each box to the toys equally among his younger cousin. So, ano po unang step 1 ang gagamitin natin dyan ay we can find this by using continuous division method or also known as ladder method para makuha natin ang GCF. Gagamit po tayo ng continuous division or ladder method. Okay, so we should write the given numbers 12, 16, and 20 in a horizontal horizontal line and determine the common prime factor that will divided all the numbers. So, i-determine natin ang prime factor that will divided all the numbers. Okay, like for example, okay, meron na tayong 12, 16, 20. Ganito po yung symbol po ng ng continuous method or ladder. Okay, step 2, write each common prime factor to the left of 12, 16, and 20. Okay, so dito natin ilalagay ang common numbers. A common prime factor. Repeat process until there is no common prime factor or the divisor. Okay, so since 12, 16, and 20, ano po yung maaari nating i-divisible dito? Okay, maaaring divisible by 2. Tama ba? So, 12 divide 2 equals 6. Okay, tama ba? Okay, next naman ay 16. 16 divide 2 equals 8. Okay. So, next, 20 divide 2 equals 10. Okay, tama ba? So, 6 times 2 equals 12. 8 times 2 equals 16. 10 times 2 equals 20. Did you understand? Okay, klaro ba? Naintindihan ba? Okay. So, since 12, 16, and 20 are divisible, all are divisible by 2. Kaya, 12 divide 2 is 6. 16 divide 2 is 8. And 20 divide 2 is 10. Kung i-multiply natin, i-reverse natin, 6 times 2 equals 12. 8 times 2 equals 16. 10 times 2 equals 20. So, all numbers, all are divisible by 2. So, mayroon pa ba dito? Number na maaaring makadivisible by 2. Mayroon pa. So, another 2. Okay. 6 divide 2 is 3. Tama ba? Okay. So, 8 divide 2 equals 4. Okay. 5 divide 2 equals 5. So, 6, 8, and 10, all are divisible by 2. Okay, did you understand? Okay. So, dito ba sa 3, 4, 5, meron pa bang divisibility? No more. Because no more common prime divisor. Wala na po siya ang 3, 4, 5. So, what will we do now? Okay, step 3, multiply all common prime factor divisor. Okay, like for example, 2 times 2 is 4. The GCF, our greatest common factor, is 4. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so, ito 2 times 2 equals 4. So, ito wala na ito. Dito tayo. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Therefore, each cousin will receive at most 4 toys. So, ang bawat cousin niya ay makakatanggap ng taga-apat na laruan. So, ang first cousin niya sa isang box, first box, may laman na 12. Yung pangalawa, may laman na 16. Yung pangatlo, may laman na 20 toy cars. So, since 12, 16, and 20 are divisibility by 2. Diba? And then, 6, 8, and 10 is also divisible by 2. So, 3, 4, 5, no more common prime. Kaya wala na siya. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Our GCF, ang GCF natin is 4. Okay, did you understand? Okay, to know how many of them will receive this number of toys. So, we find a total number of toy cars and then divide by the sum of the GCF. Okay, so pwede natin siyang i-plus. 12 plus 16 plus 20 equals 48. Tama ba? Okay, let us add. Okay, i-add muna natin. Pwede naman siyang pahalang, pero much better talaga na dito na lang. Since wala tayo masyadong board, kaya itong ginamit ko na lang. So, sa next time na lang, pag nagkaroon ako ng Ano? So, 12 plus 16, that is 28, plus 2 equals 48. So, in-add natin siya. Diba? Okay. 48, toys, car. So, pag 48 class, i-divide natin siya sa 4. Ilan? So, 48. So, 48 divide 4. So, 4 divide 4 equals 1. So, 1 times 4 is 4. So, 0, bring down 8. What? Okay, so 8 can be divided by 4? Okay, yes. What is the number to be divided by 8 and 4? So, that is 2. So, 2 times 4 equals 8. So, the answer is 12. Okay, since 6, 12, 16, and 20 are divisible by 2. Okay, 12 of Justin's cousin will receive 4 toy cars each. So, sa 12 niyang pinsan, makakatanggap ng taga-4 na toy cars. So, naintindihan ba? Klaro? Uulitin ko para lalo natin maintindihan. Okay, find the GCF. Greatest common factor ang hinahanap natin. So, dito sa GCF, gagamit po tayo ng continuous method or ladder method. Okay, so ang unang box daw ay may laman na 12. So, ang pangalawang box may laman na 16. So, ang pangatlong box nagkakalaman ulit ng 20. Ayan. Ayan. So, 20, ito na po yung problem natin. Step 1 po. Babalikan natin para lalo yung maintindihan. Okay. So, isinulat na natin yung mga numbers, ang 12, 16, 20. Ha? Ngayon, we should find the greatest common factor, the GCF. So, we can find this by using continuous method or ladder method. Okay. So, continuous. Nanda, 12, 16, 20 in a horizontal. Horizontal po yan. Ganyan. So, determine the common prime factor that well divided all the numbers. So, mag-iisip tayo ngayon sa kanilang tatlo kung anong number ang maaari makapag-divide sa bawat isa sa kanila. So, nakaisip tayo ay what is the number na maaari makapag-divide sa tatlong number na ito. So, we are using 2. Okay, 2 now is our divisor. Diba? So, 12 divide 2 equals ilan? 6. Ayan. So, 16 divide 2 equals 8. So, 20 divide 2 equals 10. So, 12, 16, 20, all numbers are divisible by 2. Kaya, 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 2, 16. 10 times 2 is 20. So, maaari pa ba? May mga number pa ba na maaari makapag-divide sa bawat isa sa kanila? Yes, meron ding 2. So, 6 divide 2 is 4. 3 pala. And 8 divide 2 is 4. And 10 divide 2 is 5. So, since 3 and 4, wala na po siya. No more prime factor na po. No more common prime factor. Kaya stop na. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, our greatest common factor is 4. Okay. Let us find out kung ilang cousin mayroon si Cheska. O si Justin, rather. So, 12 plus 16 equals 28 plus 20. Okay, papahabain natin dito. Okay, 12 plus 16 plus 20. Ayan, kailangan naka-align din ha, ang ones at saka ang tens. Okay, since 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 0, 8. Ayan, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, 48. So, ngayon, since meron tayong GCF na 4, i-divide natin siya ngayon sa 4. Okay. Ang 4 ba maaari makapag-divide sa 4? Yes. So, what is the number to be divided by 4 and 4? Is 1. So, 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, 0. Let us subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down 8. So, ang 8 ba makapag-divide ba sa 4? Yes. So, what is the number to be divided by 8 and 4? Is 2. So, 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So, mayroon si Justin 12 na pinsan na makaka-receive ang bawat isa ng 4 toy cars. Did you understand? Okay. So, madali lang pag nakikinig. Kapag hindi ka nakikinig, hindi mo maiintindihan. Okay. So, common factors are factors that are same for 2 or more numbers. So, the GCF, or the greatest common factor, is the greatest number contained exactly in 2 or more numbers. Factors are also divisors. So, it follows that the greatest common factor is also the greatest common divisors of a given number. So, some numbers like 25 and 18 have no common factors. Wala silang common factors ang 25 at saka 18. So, other than 1. So, the numbers are said to be relatively prime. So, maliban lang sa 1 doon. So, kasi 1 times 25 is 25. Okay. So, wala silang common factor. Maliban lang sa 1. So, one way of solving for the GCF, so, set the given number through continuous divisions. As it implies, it is done with repeated division until all given numbers are not anymore divisible by one common divisor other than 1. So, kinonsider na natin yung mga steps na ating ginagamit. So, gusto pa nyo ba ng another example? Ang step 1, numbers horizontally ginamit natin yan. So, nandiyan ang 12, 16, 20. Horizontally determine a common prime factor that will divided all the numbers. So, dito naman, write each factor. Write each factor of the left side of the horizontal line and write the quotations. Write the quotients below under the numbers. And then, repeat the process until there is no common prime divisor. And step 3, multiply the prime divisor, that which is the GCF. So, gin-multiply na natin yung divisor. Ito po yung divisor. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng GCF na 4. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, yan po. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng greatest common factor na 4. So, every cousins, ang 12 cousins ni Justin, nakaka-receive sila ng taga-4 na toy car. So, let us continue. Another example. Para mas lalong maintindihan at maunawaan natin. Okay. So, mayroon tayong 18. Basta pa. Okay. Mayroon tayong 18 at saka 27. Ayan. So, mayroon tayo dito, So, gamit natin po ay continuous method or ladder method. Tinatawag na ladder method. So, alam kong na familiar dito rin kasi mga past lesson na to ng mga makakaalala rin kayo, lalo na sa mga elementary level. Okay. Tinuro ito ng mga, mga kapwa ko guro. Siguro ito na lang, itong pang review dito sa online teaching. So, wala po itong bayad anytime. Pwede kayong manood, pwede nyo i-share din nyo, lalo na sa may mga anak na magi-grade 6 o magi-grade 5. Ito na po yung review para pagdating ng klase, ma-recall nila yung mga tinatalakay ko dito sa online teaching. I hope na malaking may tulong sa kanila at sa inyong mga anak. So, share, o pwede nyo i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan o kung sino man na maaring manood ng aking online teaching. Okay. So, since hanapin po natin ang example number 2 na po ito. So, kanina, example number 1 yun. So, ito example number 2. Let us find the GCF of 18 and 27. So, mag-iisip tayo kung what is the number na maaari makapag-divide dito sa 18 at saka sa 27. No. I think it is 3. Di ba? Okay. So, ang 80 ba makapag-divide ba sa 3 at saka yung 27 makapag-divide ba sa 3? Yes. They are all divisible by 3. So, what is the number to be divided by 18 and 3? Okay. So, 16. 18 divide 3, that is 6. Ha? 6 times 3 equals 18. How about 27? Ano ba yung number maaari makapag-divide sa 3? Ha? Okay. What is the number? Okay. So, the number to be divided by 27 and 3 is 9. Okay, tama ba? So, 6 times 3, 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. So, mayroon pa. Hindi pa siya mako-close. So, kasi may number pa po siya na maaari makapag-divide sa dalawa na ito. Which is 3 also. Okay. So, 3 divide 3 equals 2. 9 divide 3 equals 3. So, this one, wala na po siya. No common prime factor ang 2 at saka 3. So, ito na ang divisor, ito na ang magiging GCF natin. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, our GCF is 9. Did you understand? So, 18 divide 3 equals 6. 27 divide 3 equals 9. So, 6 divide 3 equals 2. 9 divide 3 equals 3. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, our GCF is 9. Did you understand? Okay. So, ang gagawin lang nyo dyan, arrange the given numbers horizontally. Write the common prime divisor at the left-hand side of the quotient below the numbers. Kasi ito lang yung problem natin eh. So, maghahanap kayo ngayon, itong number na ito, mag-aaral natin dito sa magiging divisor nila. So, ito yung multiply natin at it become GCF. Madali lang, di ba? Okay. So, step 2. Okay. Kanina, step 1 ito. Ito naman ang step 2. Okay. Repeat the process until the common price division. Continuous nga siya, di ba? So, 18 dito. 27, 3, 9. Tapos, step 1. So, step 2 ulit. 6 divide 3, 2. 9 divide 3, 3. Yan. Step 2 yan. And then, step 3, imo-multiply mo na ang divisor. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, multiply the common divisor. Answer, ito ang ating GCF is 9. Did you understand? Okay, another example. Madali lang naman kung sa madali. Ako dati, elementary ako, hate ko rin ang subject na math. Pero, nung kalaunan na na time na nag-high school na ako, college, parang madali na lang. Kasi sabi nga ng professor ko ng college time, sabi niya sa amin kapag sumakit daw ang ulo nyo, ibig sabihin natuto kayo. Pero pag hindi kayo natuto at hindi kayo nakinig. Diba? So, totoo naman siguro yun eh. Okay. So, mayroon na tayong dalawang example. Ito, pangatlong example. Okay. Let us find the GCF 2, 8, 5, 6, and 42. Okay. Sulat ko siya horizontally. Okay, and then the symbol of continuous method. Okay, so mag-iisip tayo ngayon kung ano ba yung mga number na maaring makapag-divide sa bawat isa sa kanila. Okay, so arrange the given numbers horizontally. Arrange the given numbers horizontally. Step 1. So step 2, write the common prime divisor at the left-hand side of the quotient below the numbers. So, isusulat natin dito kung ano yung prime common factor na prime divisor natin. Isusulat natin dito sa left. Okay. So, ano yung isusulat natin dito? Okay. So, ano ba yung mga prime ang dito nila? So, I think 7. Tama ba? Okay, 7. Okay. So, 28 divides 7. Okay, kung hindi nyo kabisado yung ganito, mahihirapan kayo. Pwede nyo ilag ganito. 28 divides 7. So, ilan? 3? Hindi rin 3 kasi 3 times tatlong 7, that is 21. So, kung nahihirapan talaga kayo, pwede nyo gamitin ang add. Tatlong 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21. That is wrong. Kasi maliit pa. Kasi 28 to eh. So, gawin natin plus ulit 7. So, that is 4. Hindi po natin siya ilalagay dito sa 2. Ilalagay natin doon sa 8. So, 4 times 7 is 28. So, ilalagay natin ngayon dito is 4. Ayan. So, the next is 56. Okay, 56 naman tayo. 56. So, what is the number to be divided by 56 and 7? So, hindi naman pwede mag-divide ka ng 5 tsaka 7 kasi maliit ang 5. So, magbabar ka, it becomes 56. So, what is the number to be divided by 56 and 7? So, ilan? Mag-isip. Okay, so, that is 8. Tama ba? Oh, sige nga, para sure, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. Okay, let us add. 7 plus 7, 14. Plus 7, 21. Plus 7, 28. Plus 7, 35. Plus 7, 42. Plus 7, 49. Plus 7, that is 56. So, the answer is 8. Tama. Okay, how about 42? Okay, 42 ulit. Okay, since ang ating divisor ay 7, steady na po siya. So, next is 42. Okay, 42, makapag-divide siya sa 7? Yes. So, what is the number to be divided by 42 and 7? Okay, isip tayo. Ilang 7? So, dito 8 is 56. So, bawasan na lang natin. It becomes 6 na 7. Try natin ng 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 7, 28 plus 7, 35 plus 7 is 42. So, the answer is 6. O, di ba mabilis lang, children? Viewers? Okay. So, mayroon na tayo. So, 28 and 56 and 42, all numbers divisible by 7. How about 4, 8, and 6? Okay, nag-isip naman tayo kasi alam ko mayroon pa itong mga prime common divisors. Ito ang 4, 8, and 6. Okay, mag-isip. Ay, 2. Okay, 2. 4 divide 2 equals 2. And 8 divide 2 is 4. And 6 divide 2 is 3. Oh, tama ba? Okay. So, repeat lang natin ang process sa step 3. Ha? Until there is no common prime divisor. So, di ba wala na siyang common divisor? Step 1, step 2, step 3. So, since wala na siyang common, lalabas na po ang ating GCF. Ito na po siya. 7 times 2 equals 14. So, ating GCF ay 14. The greatest common factor is 14. Did you understand? Ha? Okay. Kung sino man yung hindi nakaintindi. Okay. So, I'll give you another example. Problem. Babasahin ko yung problem, and then after that, i-ano natin sa ano. Okay. So, application to for solving problem. Okay. Mr. Pires bought paper plates, table napkins, and cups as his contributions for every Christmas party he will go to. Plates come in package of 60 tables, 60 table napkins in 80, and cups in 120. He wants to bring the same number of plates, table napkins, and cups. What is the largest possible number of each that he can bring? So, una, i-understand natin kung ano yung problem. Okay, kung ano yung tinatanong. So, what is asked? The largest number of plates, table napkins, and cups he could bring to every Christmas party he will ever go. Okay, next, what are the given facts? Okay, ang given dito, plates come in packages of 60, table napkins 80, and cups in 20. So, paplano natin, what is the strategy can we use to solve the problem? Okay. So, ang unang tinatanong doon, ano daw ang tinatanong? What is asked? Sa binasa ko. So, the largest number of plates, the table napkin, the cups, na madadala niya tuwing Christmas party. So, what are the given facts? So, ano ba yung given doon? So, mayroon tayong 60 na plates. O, yung horizontal number na natin. 60 and then 80 na 80 na table napkin and 120 na ano to? Okay, 120 na cups. So, isinulat ko po silang numbers horizontally. Ayan. So, horizontally po yan. So, ang pangatlong tanong, let us plan. Okay. So, ano ba yung strategy can we use to solve the problem? What is the strategy can we use this problem? So, we are using continuous division or ladder method. Okay, we can solve for the GCF of the three quantities. We can do this through continuous method or ladder method. Okay, so let us solve. So, ano ba yung mga numbers dito na maaring, sa tatlong number ito, na maaring makapag-divide sa kanila? Let us think. Okay. So, 5? 5. Tama ba? 5? 60, 80, 120. Okay, para hindi tayo mahirapan, ano tayo, gagamitin natin ang ano dito, 60 is our dividend, 5 is our divisor. Okay. Since ba ang 6 makapag-divide ba sa 5? Yes, dahil mataas po ang dividend kaysa sa divisor. So, what is the number to be divided by 6 and 5? That is 1. So, 1 times 5 equals 5. Okay. Subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down 0. Okay. So, 10, nakapag-divide ba sa 5? Yes. So, what is the number to be divided by 10 and 5? That is 2. So, 2 times 5 equals 10. So, subtract 10. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So, the quotient is 12. 12 na dito. Naintindihan? Class. So, next is 80. Buburahin natin na ulit. Okay, 80. Lagay natin dyan, 80. So, ang 8 ba, maaari ba makapag-divide sa 5? Yes, because 8 is bigger than 5. Okay, mas mataas din ang ating dividend kaysa sa divisor. So, what is the number to be divided by 8 and 5? So, that is 1. Tama ba? Hindi pwedeng 2 kasi magsusobra siya. So, 1 times 5 is 5. O, tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa po. So, let us subtract. Kapag sa class, sa division, tatlong ginagamit natin na operation. Multiplication, division, and subtraction. Okay. So, 8 minus 5, that is 3. Bring down 0. Ang 30 ba, makapag-divide ba sa 5? Yes. What is the number to be divided by 30 and 5? That is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So, next is 16. Oh, madali lang. Next is 120. Ganito yung gamitin ninyo para hindi kayo mahirapan. Student. Okay, 120. Okay. So, ang 1 ba makapag-subtract sa 5? No. Kasi maliit siya kaysa sa 5. So, ang gagawin natin becomes 12. Ang 12 ba makapag-divide sa 5? Yes. So, what is the number to be divided by 12 and 5? That is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract 2 minus 0, 2. Bring down 0. 20 divide 5, that is 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. So, the answer is 24. Okay, meron na tayong step 2. Ayan na, kanina step 1, ngayon naman step 2. So, continuous lang, repeat ng repeat. Mag-iisip lang tayo dito kung ano yung mga number na maaari natin makapag-divide ito sa tatlo. Okay, so, meron na tayong 12, 16, 24. So, 60 divide 5 is 12. 80 divide 5 is 16. 120 divide 5 is 24. 12 times 5 equals 60. 16 times 5 equals 80. 24 divide 5, that is 120. Okay, next. What is the number? Okay, so since 68 and 120 are all divisible by 5. Now, mag-iisip naman tayo dito sa 12, 16, and 24. Ano bang maaring makapag-divide dito? That is 2. Okay. 12 divide 2 equals 6. 16 divide 2, that is 8. 24 divide 6 is maaring 12. Tama? Tama hindi? 6 times 2, 12. 8 times 3, 16. 8 times 2, 16. 12 times 2 is 24. So, 2. All numbers are divisible by 2. 12, 16, 24 divisible by 2. 60, 80, 120 divisible by 5. How about 6, 8, and 12? It is divisible by 2? Yes. Okay, divisible by 2 po rin sila. So, 6 times 2, 6 divide 2 is 3. 8 divide 2 is 4. 12 divide 2, that is 6. So, wala na po siya, no more prime factor. Wala na po. Okay, so what will we do now? Nakita na po natin ang GCF. So, let us multiply the divisor. Ito na po yun siya. So, 5 times 2, 10. Times 2 is 20. Tama? Okay. Ilalagay na natin dito. 5 times 2 times 2. 5 times 2, 10 times 2 is 20. So, 20 is our GCF. Okay, naintindihan na? The greatest common factor is 20. Madali lang. Naintindihan? So, therefore, Mr. Pires can bring 20 pieces of plates, 20 pieces of table napkins, 20 pieces of cups to each Christmas party that he will attend to. O, kahit i-check pa natin yan siya, class. Okay, teacher, i-check na natin yung tama ba yung 20. Okay, 60. 60 muna, tama ba? Okay, ano ba yung mga ano niya dyan? 60. Okay, 1, 2, ano pa? 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 15. Yan po. Ha? Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20. Ayan, mahaba na. Basta yung ano, ang common nila class is 20 talaga. Next is 80. 120. Pwedeng ganito siya. Yan. Diretso na rin yan. So, the common na GCF nila is 20. Masyado nang mahaba. Okay, naintindihan? O, sino hindi nakaintindi? Class. Okay, assignment newt for tomorrow. Okay, magkakaroon po tayo ng another example para sa GCF. Sa isang linggo po, meron tayong 4 lang na live. Kasi para naman makapag-prepare ako for the another lesson. So, maybe next week, magtatackle po ako ng about sa science. Yung pag-segregate po ng mga biodegradable at saka non-biodegradable. Yan. Yun po yung topic natin next week. Sa science naman tayo mag-focus. Okay. So, the greatest common factor, 2 or more numbers is the largest factors of divisors among the common factors of the numbers. So, continuous division, also known ladder method, it is the process of solving the GCF or a set of numbers. It is done by repeated division, which common factors are divisor, multiplying all common divisors to get the GCF. So, thank you sa mga manunood. Sana'y malaking tulong po, lalo na sa mga estudyante ko dyan. Naway malaking tulong po sa inyong lahat, hindi lang po sa mga estudyante ko, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan po. Okay, maaari niyong i-share ang video to para pagdating ng pasukan, na ma-recall ninyo kung ano yung lesson na tinakil ko. Lahat po dito, itatakil ko hanggang sa kaya ko. Okay, I hope na naintindihan ninyo ang greatest common factor, ay yung divisibility rules, and in order the operations of a whole numbers. Yan, 3 topic na po tayong naitalakay ko. I hope na naintindihan ninyo at naunawaan ang aking itinuturo. So pasensya na kung ang ating board ay hindi niyo masyadong naklaro. So, pipilitin ko po na magkaroon po tayo ng board. Okay. Sa mga materials po na ginagamit ko, kaya papasensyahan nyo na I hope na makatulong kayo sa akin para mapapalawak din natin ang inyong karunungan pagdating sa matematika. Thank you and more power and bless you all and stay safe and stay at home. O kahit sa ganitong paraan, makatulong ako sa inyo at makatulong din kayo sa akin. Thank you, viewers. See you tomorrow or see you on Wednesday for the next lesson. Okay. Since tapos na tayo sa GCF, baka sa susunod nating topic ay ang fractions. Ayan, itong paghahati-hati. Minsan, yung mga estudyante dito, hirap. Lalo na sa mga elementary level. I hope na may napulot kayong aral. Thank you, viewers. Shares na lang natin. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Okay, bye-bye. See you next topic.